Good evening, children. So today we are going to do exercise 6.1 NCERT for standard 6. So question number 1, write opposite of the following. Okay, so first is increase in weight 30 km north to 326 BC, loss of rupees 700 and 100 meter above the sea level. So what are the answer? Already we know in English the increase, opposite of increase what? It is decrease. So like this, increase in weight, it is decrease in weight. Like this, 30 km north, here it is the answer 30 km south. Opposite of BC, it is 80. So here it is 326 BC, opposite is 326 80. So loss of rupees 700, profit of rupees 700. That means loss is opposite to profit. 100 meter above the sea level. Opposite of above, it is below. So here the answer 100 meter below the sea level. Okay. Then question number 2. Represent the following. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Above means already we know it is a positive sign. So here it is plus 2000. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Below means what? Here it is minus. Above plus, below minus. So answer is minus 800. Then a deposit of rupee 200. Deposit, it is a plus sign. So answer is plus 200. Whereas the withdrawal of rupee 700, it is minus 700. Clear? Then question number 3. Represent the following number. Represent the following number on number line. Plus 5, minus 10, plus 8, minus 1 and minus 6. Okay. So you can draw this number individually, but I have done here in a single number line. Okay. Suppose I am taking a number line and I am putting some equal units. Okay. Equal units. That means with the help of compass, you can do the diagram or do the unit, proper unit you can take, or you can use a scale. So 0 here, I am taking 0 here. So from 0 towards right. Okay, this is right, towards right, and from 0 towards left. So towards right all are the positive integer, whereas towards left all are the negative integer. Okay, so here the question is saying you have just to represent plus 5, plus 8, minus 1, minus 6 and minus 10. I am putting in a one number line. You can do by a one line or you can do in a separate number line according to your wish. So minus 1, I am putting a circle here. Why it is here? Because it is towards the left and it is a negative integer. 0, it is the 0 and towards right all are the positive integer and towards left all are the negative integer. So here it is minus 1, minus 6, minus 10 and at right side here it is plus 5 and plus 8. Okay. Hello. Question number 4. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. So here it is a mark there or it is a number line putting in your book. You just go through it and saying the question and answers. Okay, you just watch. Here I am taking a number line having equal distances. Here it is 0 or O. This is the O. That means the points are there. O, H, G, F, E, A, B, C, D. But D represent plus 8 and here O represents 0. So first question in your book, if the point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? So already we are discussing when we are taking 0 here, that means above 0, according to this number line, all are the positive number or all are the positive, these are the positive sides. That means all the point from 0 towards above or towards D or towards plus 8, all are the positive integers. So here that means from 0, if I am taking this one, it is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 like this it is going on. Then below 0, all the number or all the units I am putting here, all are the negative numbers. Okay. So for that reason, option A, if the point D is at plus 8, then which point is on minus 8? So minus 8, which point? Here it is F. I am putting a circle here. Answer is F. Why it is here? Because from 0, suppose I am taking this one is minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and minus 8. So answer is your F. Then option B, question is asking, is point Z a negative integer or a positive integer? So here you watch G, where it is G is below 0. Z is below 0. That means it's a negative integer. Then option C question, write integers for point B and E. Point B and E. Here it is B. Okay. So 0, from here you just count 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means B is having which point? It is plus 4. That means it is a positive side and it is plus 4. So like this E. Where it is? Here the below 0. Okay. So that means all are the negative integers. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. So E is your minus 10. Like this, question number D, which point marked on this line, number line, has a least value? Least value means smaller value. In this particular number line, which is having a smaller value. Already we know all the negative integers are the smaller one. But when two negative integers are consecutive, so which one is the greater? The smaller negative integer is the greater one. Okay. So for that reason, here it is minus 10, then minus 10, then minus 9, minus 8, like this it is going on. So least value it is having, it is E. Okay. Then question number E, arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Decreasing order of value means from bigger number to smaller number you have to arrange. So our first is D, second is C, then B, A, O, H, G, F and E. Hello children. Question number 5 now. So following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. So Siachen it is 10 degrees Celsius below. So below means what? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. Simla 2 degrees Celsius below, it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above, so it is plus 30 degree. Delhi it is 20 degrees Celsius above, so it is plus 20 degrees Celsius. Srinagar 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius, so it is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So option A it is there. Then option B, the following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. So I am making a line, number line here, which represent the temperature of this area. Okay. So the first option C, which is the coolest place? So you tell me which is the coolest place. According to your question, minus 10 degree is the least value. Okay, it is the smaller one. So smaller one means it is having the coolest area. That means it is the coolest area. So minus 10, here it is Siachen. Then write option D, write the names of the places where temperature is or are above 10 degrees Celsius. So 10 degrees Celsius it is not there, but above 10 degrees Celsius, Delhi it is there. Then Ahmedabad. Delhi it is having plus 20 degrees Celsius and Ahmedabad it is having 30 degrees Celsius. So I am putting the circle here. So this is Delhi and this is Ahmedabad. Okay. Then coming to question number 6. In each of the following pair, which number is to right of the other number on the number line? Okay, you can just look at here. In your book, in each of the following pair, which number is to the right of other on the number line? So option A is 2, 9, then minus 3, minus 8, 0, minus 1, like this. Okay. So here it is 2 and 9. So I am making a number line here. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So tell me. So from 0 towards this, that means this is the right side. Okay, towards this it is the right side. So if I am counting here 1 and 2, then from 2, 9 it is here. That means 9 is right to 2. Okay, so we have to answer like this. 9 is right to 2. In option B, like the minus 3 and minus 8, answer is minus 3. In option C, 0 is the answer. In option D, 10 is the answer. In option E, minus plus 6 is the answer. In option A, 1 is the answer because all are the right of the next number. Okay. Then question number 7. So write all the integers between a given pair. Okay. So 0 and minus 7. So you can watch, I am doing a number line here, making minus 7 and 0 here. So in between numbers, in between means minus 7 and 0 here. So in between number means minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1 you have to write. Okay. These are the in between numbers between minus 7 and 0. So like this, in minus 4 and plus 4, answer is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and minus 8, minus 15. So it is minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. And option D, minus 32, minus 23. So here it is minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25 and minus 24 your answer. Okay. Question number 8, write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. And option B, write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. So what are the answer? Option A, greater than minus 20. Greater than minus 20 means all are the negative integers. So when we are having a negative integer, we have to adding 1. That means we are taking the successor. Yes or no? So minus 20 plus 1, answer is minus 19. So like this, minus 19 plus 1, it is minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. So minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16 are the 4 greater number which are greater than minus 20. Then option B, write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Less than minus 10 means what? You have to take predecessor. So minus 10 minus 1. Okay, predecessor means 1, subtracting 1 from a number. Okay, so minus 10 minus 1, answer is minus 11. So like this, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14 are the answer. Then coming to question number 9. For the following statements, write true and false. If statement is false, correct the statement. Okay. So first is minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on the number line. So answer is true. Answer is true. How it is? I am taking a number line here. You can see minus 10 it is here and minus 8 it is here. So that means minus 8 is right to minus 10. Okay. Then next option B, minus 100 is to right of minus 50 on a number line. It is false because minus 100 is left to minus 50. Okay. Then option C, smallest negative integer is minus 1. No, it is not, because minus 1 is the biggest negative integer of all the negative integers. So hence it is false. Then option D, minus 26 is greater than minus 25. No, because always when we are judging minus 26 and minus 25, which one is the greater number? If we are taking it as a positive integer, 25 is the greater one. But here the greater number is the smaller one. Okay, so that means, sorry, if we are talking about the positive integers 25 and 26, 26 is the greater one. But here 26 is the greater one, but that is the smaller one. That means minus 26 is smaller than to minus 25. Okay. So now coming to question number 10. Question number 10. Which number will draw a number line and answer the following? Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Okay. So here I am having a number line here. 0, minus 1, minus 2 towards left it is, and from 0 towards right plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and plus 6. Okay. So from minus 2 we have to move 4 numbers. So here I am putting 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers. So how much it is? Answer is plus 2. That means we have to reach at which number? Plus 2. Then option B, which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? So here it is 1, here it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So we have to move towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is minus 4. Okay. Then option C, if we are at minus 8 on number line, in which direction we should move to reach minus 13? So minus 13 means what? Always while we are putting the number line towards left, all the negative integers are there. So minus 13, that means we have to move towards left. It is the answer. Then option D, if we are at minus 6, so on number line, in which direction we should reach at minus 1. So minus 1 is greater than minus 6. Okay, so we have to move towards right. So that much for this section, children. So your chapter is over. Till the next video, I will send 6.2 and 6.3. Till then, have a good day.